Guys, it's almost time for spring cleaning. So in Shop All Day, we are going to help you refresh your supplies. And joining us is lifestyle expert Jenn Falik. Scan the QR code below to shop along with us. We're marveling at these cleaning products, which I don't know if I'm just getting old or what.
I ask myself that all the time.
These are great products.
I get really excited about these things, right? And these are very exciting because spring cleaning, you kind of want to refresh everything, but you don't want to spend a ton of time doing it. So all of these are amazing, innovative, fast ways to spring clean. So we can start with this. This is a Tibet almond stick, and it's going to get all of those scuffs and scratches out of the wood, even if you've got friends who refuse to use a coaster, and you get the water rings on your wood. This is, so you just take it. It works on all different tones, too.
Look at this.
And look, just like a little eraser. Look at this. So you do this, and it looks
works on hardwood floors.
Yep, it works on
floors. So is it just filling in the gaps?
It's filling in the gaps, and then it has a sheen to it, but you can dab it so it mattifies, so it looks, you know, like it came that way.
Really cool.
I think this is great, too. I'm going to use it for where my dog scratches the floor. You can fill in, and it's amazing. And a little goes a long way, and it'll work on any color wood that you have.
That comes in a cute
like $13. Yeah, I know. I like the packaging, too, right?
Okay. Now, Jen, talk to me about a power scrubber.
Okay, so
who doesn't have a power scrubber?
Power scrubbers are like having a moment right now. I don't know if it's a social media driven thing, but people love the satisfying cleaning with these. This one is Rubbermaid, and what I love about this is that it comes with all these different brush options, and it's great for like grout. You can use this. I like it around fixtures too, like your sink fixtures that are hard to get to. So yeah, let me give you like a little. You try to get a little over here. Yeah, you can put water on it or do it dry to really get in there, and you'll see.
Why is this so satisfying?
It's so nice to see the grime come off.
My shower.
Right? I know, right? I want to do these things. Speaking of satisfying,
I need to do so bad.
I love this thing. So I remember I used to use it like for my keyboard to get like dust out. This you can use for everything. This is a duster that doesn't need a canister. So all you do is charge it up. You hold it like this. Has all these different heads, so you can do it. You get the LED lights, so you can see everything.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. And you can get it. It's a duster. It's going to blow. So you'll see. Let's see if I can get a good angle here.
Blowing it.
Yes, it's just blowing all this dust out.
So does it have an attachment to suck it out too? Or, you know what I mean?
Let's see. You know what? I think it's actually it's gonna suck it right up. And what I love this for is couch crumbs. You know how you get those crumbs in between, so you pull off, you know, the cushions, and it's like a whole meal under there. This is going to get rid of those.
I love that. This next one, Ashley Graham said she actually just ordered this for the countertops or wherever, just little crumbs.
All those little crumbs that can really, like, I would say, like, small messes can be a big distraction.
It's annoying.
I love this for you.
A thing of breadcrumbs yesterday.
Yeah, and then
It's satisfying.
how fun is this one, right? And it comes in these cute colors. It's like $13. I also think this is a great thing for students to have. Their desk gets all icky.
College students.
Yeah, when I look at my 13-year-old desk sometimes because she does her makeup there too. I'm like, ugh. So you just clean this off. I know, it's fun.
I know.
I know,
I need this just for my kitchen counter after a meal.
Yeah. It really does make everything so much easier and faster.
So we have the grout cleaner, now we have a squeegee.
Yes, this is a squeegee, but it's a 3-in-1 squeegee. So what's so genius about this is that it has a scrub side and a squeegee side, so you can kind of clean and squeegee at the same time, so you have no streaks. And the genius is the fact you can put water in there, or whatever cleaning solution you like, and it has this little here. Here you go. Oh, here, I'll take this one.
Why did you turn it upside down?
Here, I don't want to spray anyone, but you just hit this, and the water of the cleaning solution is going to come out. You give it a little spray, you give it a little squeegee, and your windows are clean. You can use it on the floor, and it comes apart. So you can have it short if you're using, you know, depending on what you're cleaning, or get high up windows with this.
I'm kind of guilty of not doing this enough.
Confessions.
Yeah,
I know.
We all are.
So your makeup brushes, ladies.
And it feels daunting to clean your makeup brushes and the sink. So this makes it so easy. Check this out. It's like a whirlpool for your makeup brush. So here, you hold it in there. Let me get the. It's going to spin.
Just hold it there.
Yep. It gets every bristle. It gets all the grime off.
And you don't need specific solution or anything?
You can use whatever you like. I like to use like a baby shampoo. You can use water, but I think a baby shampoo is really the best way to do it. And then it comes out totally clean. It'll dry quickly. You just kind of put it down there to dry. And you don't get your hands all dirty. So it's a fun one. And you see inside it has like little nubbins, so it really gets everything nice and clean. I know.
Success.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you. To see these again, scan the QR code or head over to today.com/shop.